Beekeeping is a traditional field with significant potential in modern agriculture. Not only does it provide delicious honey, but it also plays an essential role in maintaining ecosystems and protecting biodiversity. Bees are not just capable of producing honey, they are also diligent pollinators that help increase crop yield. This makes beekeeping an attractive option for many farmers and entrepreneurs. To effectively raise bees on a farm, beekeepers need to master several fundamental techniques. First, selecting the right bee breed is crucial. Honeybees, Apis mellifera, are the most common due to their industriousness and high honey yield. Beekeepers should study the characteristics of each breed to choose the one that best suits local climate and environmental conditions. After selecting the bee breed, the next step is preparing the beehives. The hives need to be safe, well ventilated, and free from pollution. The installation of the hives significantly impacts the health of the bee colony and honey production. Hives should be placed in locations with moderate sunlight and close to flowering sources, so bees can easily find food. The technique of caring for the bee colony is an essential part of the beekeeping process. Beekeepers must regularly check the health of the bees, detect early signs of diseases, and manage pests. Replacing hives when they become old or damaged is necessary to maintain optimal living conditions for the bees. Additionally, beekeepers should manage the food supply for the bees, especially during the winter months or when flowering is sparse. Providing supplemental food, such as sugar or syrup, will help the bee colony thrive. One of the critical aspects of beekeeping is honey harvesting. The timing of honey harvesting is vital, usually occurring at the end of the flowering season when the honey yield is optimal. Beekeepers need to use the proper harvesting equipment to ensure that the bees are not harmed. After harvesting, honey must be filtered and stored correctly to retain its flavor and quality. In addition to providing honey, bees play a significant role in pollinating crops. As bees move from flower to flower in search of food, they help disperse pollen, thus facilitating the pollination process and increasing crop yield. This is beneficial not only for beekeepers, but also for farmers growing crops. The combination of beekeeping and crop cultivation creates a balanced and sustainable ecosystem. In summary, beekeeping not only offers economic benefits but also contributes to environmental protection and biodiversity conservation. With proper beekeeping techniques and diligent care, beekeepers can develop sustainably and produce high-quality products for the market. Beekeeping is not just a profession. It is also an art that requires patience, knowledge, and passion to achieve success.